Managing HR doesn't have to mean juggling spreadsheets, emails, and outdated tools. With Odoo HR, you can streamline your entire human resource process, from recruitment to payroll, in one platform. Start with the Employees app. Add employee records with job titles, departments, and managers. Upload documents like contracts and ID proofs. Assign working hours and time-off policies. Hiring? The recruitment module has your back. Post job openings and publish to your website. Collect and track applications in a Kanban-style pipeline. Schedule interviews and record feedback. Need payroll? Odoo's payroll module automates it all. Configure salary rules, deductions, and allowances. Run payroll batches by month or department, generate pay slips and tax forms instantly. Tracking growth? Use the appraisal module to schedule periodic reviews, gather 360-degree feedback, set and track goals per employee or team. Let employees request leaves in just a few clicks. Approvals can be automated or manager-based, track balances and types, sick leave, vacation, etc. Use Odoo's built-in reports to measure attrition rates, absenteeism, department performance metrics. Ready to upgrade your HR operations? Like this video, share your HR challenges in the comments, subscribe for more Odoo walkthroughs. Need expert help setting it up? Visit us www.o2btechnologies.com.